fish for seniors over 60. Smart choices for healthy aging. Eat better, feel stronger after 60. I noticed my energy changing as I crossed 60. Meals that once felt light started to feel heavy, so I looked closer at what I was eating. Fish became the turning point. Omega-3 fatty acids support heart and brain. They help reduce inflammation and support cells. The World Health Organization highlights the value of healthy fats in aging. The National Institutes of Health notes omega-3 may support cognitive health. Here are 4 fish I added to my routine. Salmon, rich in omega-3 and vitamin D. Sardines, small but full of calcium and nutrients. Mackerel, supports heart rhythm and energy. Trout, light and easy to digest. I started with 2 servings per week. Grilled or baked, never fried. Simple seasoning made it enjoyable. The challenge was habit. I was used to red meat, but swapping slowly made it easier. Now, 4 fish I reduced or avoided. Shark, high in mercury. Swordfish, also high in heavy metals. King mackerel, different from regular mackerel, higher mercury levels. Tilefish, known for higher contamination risk. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, large predatory fish accumulate more mercury. Too much mercury may affect the nervous system. Some fish may not suit everyone. Consult your doctor before dietary changes. I kept track of how I felt weekly. Better focus, lighter digestion, more stable energy. No dramatic claims, just steady improvement. Portion matters. About 2 to 3 servings weekly is reasonable. Pair fish with vegetables and whole grains. Balance supports better results. Watch for freshness when buying fish. Fresh smell, firm texture, clear eyes. This journey taught me one thing. Food choices shape how we age. Like and share if this helped. Small changes lead to stronger years ahead.